Take a slow breath in and let it flow out gently. Notice the waves crashing over the rock. Powerful, constant, sometimes surprising. And yet, the rock does not move. It is steady, anchored, solid. Imagine yourself as the rock, your body supported, your feet or seat grounded. The waves of tension, stress, or strong feelings may wash over you, but they do not sweep you away. With each inhale, feel a little steadiness rise in your chest. With each exhale, soften around whatever is coming and going. The ocean moves, the waves come and go, and you remain grounded, safe, and steady. One more slow breath in, and a long, calm breath out. You are like the rock, steady, resilient, present. The waves may reach you, but you remain anchored.